What's up, Bookies? So I got this fire red curly flip over quick weave that I want to show y'all featuring Curls Queen hair. So if y'all want to see how I got this fire look from the color to the cut to the style, make sure y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, so shout out to Curls Queen Hair for sending me this lovely package. It came with this beautiful bag that came with a detangling brush and a bonnet. I thought that was so cute. The bonnet is gold and the brush is also gold. It's so cute. But the star of the show is of course that hair, so let's get into it. I have 2 bundles of 20-inch water curly hair. Make sure I use my code DIIA for money off Curls Queen Hair. And y'all, yes, I said 2 bundles, so let's see if it fits in my hair. As you guys can see, I'm going in with some bleach. I used the Quick Blue and some 40 volume developer. And I'm doing red hair, so I wanted to do a bleach bath and see how well this hair really dyed. And I was like, I had to find the quickest way because I'm not a fan of taking forever to dye my hair. So I wanted to see if this hair would dye well and also how well the curls stay. I was able to saturate the first bundle more than the second bundle, so you're going to see that one of the bundles will end up lighter than each other. The one I'm about to show you was the darker bundle, and the curls still stayed. The hair was super soft still. And then I did a color bath with a door red and a tense red. So I put the colors in the hot water. Like I said, I'm using the tense red and I think ruby red. It's on the screen, guys. So I did that, mixed it up for you guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the bundles in. So what I put in was a lighter color bundle. And you see how well the color just lashed onto it, y'all? I was obsessed with the color already. I already knew it was going to eat down, so yeah. Alright y'all, so now it's time to take care of me. I'm literally fresh out of a quick weave, and I'm going to do the same thing that I did for my Miami hair, where I dyed the front of my hair red and left the rest the natural color, because I just found out that it's just the best method to do. It reduces damage. And I'm going to go ahead and go with my L'Oreal High Color. That's my favorite thing to use with both 20 and 40 volume developer mixed. I always start off at the bottom of my hair because that is the part that has been processed the most. And then I do my roots after 15 minutes. And this is what it ended up looking like. A little bit darker than the bundles, but look at the brightness of the bundles, y'all. And that was with one bleach bath. It looks amazing. And I'm so excited. Let's get to installing, y'all. So since this is a quick weave, I don't do too much with my hair. I just wash my hair and put it into 4 plaits. And I'm using 2 of the wig caps because I need to make sure my hair is protected. I use Botana oil before I do that because I need my hair moisturized, y'all. My scalp be so dry. But yes, cap 1 is going on, and then I put cap 2 on immediately after. My head is big, y'all, so I don't need to like cut the cap or nothing. It's fine the way it is. And then of course I'm going in with the protector. Y'all, if you know, you know. You always need a protector on your hair. This thing is saving my hair from ripping out from all that glue I be using. Then I'm going in with my Amika blow dryer and also my blow drying bonnet. That's what I call it. And I put it on my hair, make sure that it is dry all the way. That joint be hot, like, ooh, I be singeing my hair. But I put it on, and then since my hair is dry, I'm gonna go ahead and use the bundles. As you can see, one of the bundles is lighter than the other, so I'm going to alternate and give it like a highlight effect because I really didn't expect the color difference to be that crazy. So yeah, I'm taking out all the bundles, and the roots are still dark because remember I did bleach it from where it was. And I make sure that when I'm doing my quick weaves, I start off my first one going ear to ear, and I always go in with 30-second glue because I'm impatient, y'all. Do not use regular glue. Make sure you use 30-second because you want your track slipping out. Started off with that first base, and I'm going in with the lighter red color. I did do the darker red color, and I just follow in that same U shape. When I need it, I do use a blow dryer on my roots just to make sure that the hair is nice and secure. And I'm just kind of keep doing the same thing up and up, so enjoy this music. At this point, I'm about at the halfway mark, and I am trying to figure out how much bundles I have left because, guys, like I said, it only gave me 2 bundles, but here I am drying the hair, making sure that everything is nice and secure, and I'm over here rapping about like, oh my gosh, do I have enough hair left? This is where I really start chopping the pieces up to make sure that I have enough. So I'm trying to make my sides more so even, so you can see me kind of cutting the hair and making it as even as I can. It's looking so good so far. Like the curls look so juicy. It's still got a lot of luster and shine to it, and it looks so cute on my head. Like, y'all look, I'm so excited. I love being a redhead, but look how much hair I have left, y'all. I am freaking out. Am I gonna make it? We'll see. I start to lay my pieces a little flat in the back. You're going to see me kind of like start chopping and closing the hair up, but I do put a lot of pieces in the back, and I'm over here still freaking out. But as you can see, I'm starting to close up the part. It is getting there, y'all. We still have a little bit of hair left, and this is where I start putting the flip over parts. I'm cutting it into small pieces to make sure I have enough hair. And am I going to make it, guys? Let's see. And look, that was the last piece of hair right there. Did I make it? Yes and no. Yes, because I kind of closed it, but no, because I had a fat gap in the middle. But look at the hair. Look at the hair, y'all. It's so full. Did I make it to 2 bundles? Yes and no. Would an extra bundle would have been nice for security? Absolutely. So next time, y'all send me 3 bundles because your girl had to work with what she had. So as I took my hair out, I realized it was a big jump scare because it's not the same color. As y'all can see, my roots are, well, my ends are a little darker than the rest of the hair, but I did end up fixing that at the end, you'll see. But I'm just going to start blending this hair in. First of all, the blend was already really nice before. Like, if my color was correct, you would never have told me this was not my real hair. But I'm going to go in and I just quickly layered the hair. I like to have the curly hair have more of a heart shape around my face. I like it to be big, dramatic, and super layered. So I did cut the hair, and I probably went off camera and cut more, but yeah. Then I'm going to take my hot comb from Amazon. It's linked in my Amazon storefront, and I'm going to go ahead and just hot comb the front of my hair. I just did little passes because this is curly hair. Usually I only do the hot comb once, and then after that I just wear my natural curly texture mixed with the hair, which I say you'll see at the end too, because I did end up rewashing the front of my hair. And then I go in with my curling iron, my curling wand. I think it's a 3/8 curling wand, and that's how I'll be blending my hair in, y'all. Y'all need a 3/8 curling wand. That thing is the truth to blending your hair in with that curly hair. I am in love with this thing. And guys, this is the finished product, but like I said, I did go in and and dye my hair. As you can see, I put some bleach on it, but the curls were popping. This is like day 3. And this is what it really ended up looking like. This is with my natural curly hair texture blended in with the hair. I give this hair a 10 out of 10. Y'all better go shop y'all some Curls Queen hair. Thank y'all so much. See y'all. Bye. Mwah.